Hello friends and welcome back to my YouTube channel TechOns. So today I get the following one error notification while I try to edit the videos in CapCut mobile app, and this is that message: no internet connection, connect to the internet and try again. And this refresh icon also not works for me. At same time, here you can note one thing: here my mobile is successfully connected with my home Wi-Fi network. So if I try to access any website in Chrome browser, my internet works normal, then why it shows this kind of message and how to overcome this issue. So if you are from India, this issue only occurs to you, which means that the official version of the CapCut app is not available in Play Store. But here I get this CapCut mobile app via APK file format. So due to this reason, I am not able to access any editing features in this app, and this error is also occurs to you due to this reason. Then how to access editing features in this app? And the one and only way is you can install the any VPN app in your mobile. So once the installation is completed, and try to connect your mobile with VPN network. So here my connection is made successfully, and one more time I try to access that CapCut mobile app. But friends, here you can see now my stickers are visible from this app, and also you can able to access all the features from this CapCut mobile app. So I hope this method will work for 100%. So friends, if you have any doubts, just comment to me. So otherwise, just leave a one like, and also my channel have a super thanks feature, so just support it. So for more tech videos, you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel TechOns, and thanks for watching.